Hey guys, let's see how to set up the Tapo C216 camera. I have here the camera, my cell phone with the Tapo app, an SD card so the camera can record locally, and also the power adapter, all right? You just need to connect the cable to the camera, so the cable comes with the camera and you just connect it here. It's a USB cable, but this one is special because it's a sealed cable, so the camera doesn't get water here. It's a waterproof device, so just use the original cable. And here you can insert the SD card. So here in the bottom, you can just open this part and insert the SD card. I'm gonna use an SD card that I have here. Just insert into place. And you're good to go. There is also a reset button here. If you need to reset the camera, you can just use this one, okay? Just close this. The camera is waterproof, so just make sure that it closes pretty good. And then just move this down and connect the camera to power, okay? So I'm just connecting the cable here to the power adapter and connecting the power adapter back there to the outlet. There we go. Now you see the LED here is red and it's going to change to flashing red and green. First, the camera is going to test the pan and tilt movement. Okay, it boots up, start testing like turning horizontally and vertically and tests everything and gets ready for the setup. It's a nice camera, as you can see. It turns 360, comes back and looks down, then it looks up. Just wait for it, and then you can start the process, okay? There we go, it's flashing red and green. Now you come to your Tapo app. If you don't have the app yet, you just need to come to the Apple Store or Android Store and look for this app, which is Tapo, okay? Just type there and look for TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. Just make sure that you have the correct one. Open it up. Then you just need to create an account and a login if you don't have an account yet. If you do, you just need to come here and hit the plus signal, add device, and then look for indoor cameras and Tapo C216. Just go down until you find it. There we go, Tapo C216. Now you just confirm that you have the LED here flashing red and green, which I have. So I just click here, and now it's time to connect the camera to the cell phone. It's not connected to the Wi-Fi yet, right? So just be careful here. This step is important. You're gonna look for the signal of the camera. Just go to your Wi-Fi and look for the camera here. Sometimes you just need to wait to refresh until you see here the camera's signal. There we go, Tapo Cam. That's the one. Just tap on it, it becomes blue, so it's ready for the app to continue. Just come back to the app. Now it's looking for the camera and found it. Now it's time to insert here the router signal, okay, and the password. So basically just can come here and locate the signal from your router. Mine is already correct. Just need to insert the password here and then hit next. Here you just confirm that the password is correct and hit next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. Now you just need to name your device. Let me just name this Tapo C216. Hit next. Select the location, office. Next again. Select an icon. Next. Sounds good. I'll just dismiss this one. Got it and got it. Okay. Now your camera is ready to go. Let me just move it here so you see how it works. There we go. Just tap on the camera here and you see that's working. And it talks about the SD card. There's an SD card that's identified here. Just need to go to the settings and format the SD card. So first, let me just select the pen and tilt here and see if it's working. So basically I can make the camera go up and down. So it's working with the pen and tilt. Pretty good, pretty responsive as well. Then I come here to settings, and now I look for storage and recording, okay? Because I need to format the SD card. So here, storage and recording, local storage. I see my SD card, it says that's good, but I need to format the SD card because it's the first time that I'm installing it. Just wait for it to finish. There we go, format successfully. Just hit OK here. Now it's important to come back and check the schedule. Right now you see that's recording by motion detection, okay? Every single day and every single hour. You can change here if you want to for continuous recording or don't record. You can just paint here the way you want the camera to record. Then you just come back one more time. And here it's important to come to detection and make sure that you have motion detection available. Here you see it's on. Also for person detection. And if you want, you can enable tempering detection. And the sensitivity, you can just adjust. This tempering is when somebody like blocks the camera, then the camera is going to alert and also is going to record, okay? Here's just a picture, so you don't see the image there. But you can also have the baby crying option, baby cry detection if you want to, adjust the sensitivity as well. And then it keeps recording, okay? Then you come back here and you go live. And there's also a firmware update. It's important to update the camera every time there's an information about firmware update. It's a good idea to update, okay? I'm gonna update later because I'm just showing here how it works. Back here again, so I can show you that everything is working. I just move my hand there. Now it's live, right? And here you have the buttons to take a snapshot if you want to. The camera is recording to the SD card, but it can also record here on your computer, on your cell phone if you want to. And then when you press stop, it's record here in the cell phone. You can also speak and listen. Basically, you talk here, somebody close to the camera is going to listen, and vice versa. Somebody talks there, you listen here. There's this talk option here. I'm not gonna use it because I'm gonna have a loop sound here, right? And pen tilt, alarm, you can control the alarm, privacy mode, and the camera goes off like this, and you can exit the privacy mode and come back here. The camera is working, right? And you can also turn on and turn off lights on the camera. It's a spotlight, you see? Interesting as well. And if you want to record for 30 days with the Tapo Care Cloud Storage, you can just accept here the trial, okay? So you can record basically into the cloud and also locally here in the card. You can do both. It's important to have your camera recording in different locations so you don't miss anything, even if the camera breaks or somebody takes your camera, okay? So that's it. Now you know how to set up your Tapo C216. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.